for ice cream. Ice cream. Let's say I. Ice cream starts with I. Ice cream. J is for jelly. J. Jelly. Let's say J. Jelly starts with J. Jelly. K is for kite. K. Kite. Let's say K. Kite starts with K. Kite. L is for lion. L. Lion. Let's say L. Lion starts with L. Lion. M is for monkey. M. Monkey. Let's say M. Monkey starts with M. Monkey. N is for nose. N. Nose. Let's say N. Nose starts with N. Nose. O is for orange. Orange. Let's say O. Orange starts with O. Orange. P is for penguin. P. Penguin. Let's say P. Penguin starts with P. Penguin. Q is for queen. Q. Queen. Let's say Q. Queen starts with Q. Queen. R is for rabbit. R. Rabbit. Let's say R. Rabbit starts with R. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. Let's say S. Sun starts with S. Sun. T is for turtle. Turtle. Let's say T. Turtle starts with T. Turtle. U is for umbrella. U. Umbrella. Let's say U. Umbrella starts with U. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. Let's say V. Violin starts with V. W is for water. Water. Let's say water starts with W. Water. X is for xylophone. Let's say X. Xylophone starts with X. Wild hen. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Let's say Y. Yo-yo starts with I. Yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Let's say Z.